My name's Pavan Patel. I'm Exterior Design Manager at Jaguar Cars. As Exterior Design Manager, I was responsible for designing the body shell of the car, the full exterior. Essentially what we like to do at Jaguar is create beautiful sculptural cars. The elements of the F-Pace that we love in the studio are its sleek roofline, its amazing wheel-to-body relationship, which gives the car a fantastic stance on the road. And of course we've got 22-inch wheels, which give a real presence to the car. As a team, we're incredibly proud of F-Pace winning World Car of the Year and World Car Design of the Year. We're a small, close-knit team, and we worked incredibly hard on the car. And to win such a big, prestigious award was absolutely fantastic.
So we wanted to make a film that was going to celebrate the design of the car. So FlowViz is a great way to actually demonstrate and see aerodynamics. You apply paint to a car's surface, you drive it or you blow it, and the paint will follow the aerodynamic lines. So usually FlowViz is just used to check one aerodynamic part of the car, but this time we're covering the whole car in FlowViz, and all you'll be able to see is the aerodynamic lines once this is illuminated with ultraviolet light. We're going to see the F-Pace in a way that we've never seen it before. It's really going to showcase the beauty, the design lines, the aerodynamics, and be a great celebration of World Car Design of the Year.